Hi, and a very good morning to all of you. So today I'm here with one of the web development based video, and the operator which I'm going to telling you about is null coalescing operator. So this is one of the operator which is basically present in the case of JavaScript, and we symbolize it with the double question mark. So what is null coalescing operator and where you can use it? So let's come on the next slide, and I'll be telling you where you can use it and how it can help you in different kind of web pages, or say when you want to make your program easier, and how it will help you. Okay, so what is null coalescing operator? So firstly, as I told you that it is symbolized as two question marks. We are going to use two question marks to symbolize this specific type of operator. So in this case, there are few terminologies which we use. Firstly is that we treat undefined and null similarly here. So if there is some value, suppose there is A, or say suppose there is B. So in the case that if some value, if there is suppose A is null or say undefined. So in both the cases we will say that these are similar, like A is equals to undefined, then it will be equal to null also. Okay, so the third expression is if an expression is neither undefined and null, then it is defined. Okay, so in this case, specifically when we are talking about null coalescing operator, so we say if the statement, or say if a variable value is like is neither undefined, if the value is not null, then in that case the value is defined. Okay, so let's see an example like how like we will be firstly taking the two variables, the one is A and then the another one is B. So let's see, suppose we have a and then the double question mark and then B. So A double question mark B, like we can say A null coalescing then B. So if what will be the output of this two words, like we are using these characters like A and B. So if the A is defined, then answer will be A. But if A is not defined, then the answer will be B. So that is what the meaning of this null coalescing operator. That if A is defined, then the output will be A. But if A is not defined, then the answer will be B. Okay, so so I'll be taking you to the another example. Okay, so suppose that we have a variable, we are taking a variable let name, and then uh, um, we are showing an alert that is like name. So if name is defined, then it will display name, but if it is not defined, then it will show not allowed. So in this particular case, we can see that the value of name is not defined. So of course, the output will be not allowed, as the value of name is not defined. It is the variable is only declared, but we have no value defined for the name. So in this case, the value will be not allowed. So let's see the second example. We are taking a variable again. The variable is name. And in this case, the value of name is defined, which is John, or you can use any other name. Suppose if your name is Suzanne, or suppose your name is Dolly, or like anything, you can use any word here. And you are giving an alert on browser that the name. So in this particular case, if the name is defined, then output will be name, and if the name is not defined, then the output will be not allowed. So you can see that in this case we have name that is defined and the name is John. So the output will be John and the value is defined. So you can see this is basically the syntax to show the comments. So here I am showing you the output in the form of like comments, so that you can understand that the output will be John. So in this case, the output is John as the value is defined. In this case, the output was not allowed as the name value is not defined. Name was not defined. We had no value. We have no value for the name. Okay. So this was the meaning of null coalescing operator, and that's how we use it.